Hello and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you are well. In this video, we are going to discuss the SBI PO Mains 2019 question paper and we are going to focus on the English section. So, now that the prelims examination has been conducted, we must start preparing for the mains examination. And to do so, we must focus on the previous year question papers. Now, before beginning, I would like to highlight that we have started the SBI PO Mains Cracker course in English medium as well as in Hindi medium. So, the course is available in English as well as in Hindi and the course starts on 11th January. The course is priced at 1999 rupees and you will get special access to descriptive English classes in the course. So make sure that you enroll as soon as possible. The course starts on 11th January. Now let us discuss the questions. The first question here says rephrase the following segment from the passage to convey a similar idea. So in case of this question, a passage was given from which a sentence had been quoted and we had to select the option which conveyed the same idea as this given sentence. So first let us go through the sentence and then we'll go through each option and find out which option conveys the same meaning as this given sentence. The sentence says, we said then and we are saying again now that only when we value biodiversity on our plates will we be able to protect the biodiversity in the wild. So, the sentence here talks about valuing the biodiversity on our plates so that we can protect the biodiversity in the wild. Now, option A says food variety allows us to appreciate nature better. Now, option A talks about appreciating the nature. Option A does not talk about protecting the nature or the biodiversity. So, option A here can be eliminated. Option B says food variety is essential for protection of wildlife. Even though option B mentions protection of wildlife or biodiversity, option B eliminates our role in protection and appreciation of biodiversity or food variety. So, the original sentence says we must value the biodiversity on our plates so that we can protect the biodiversity. Here, our role has been eliminated. Hence, option B here can be negated. Now, moving on to option C. Option C says a vegan lifestyle is more effective in giving us a good health. So, vegan lifestyle and good health are not mentioned in the original sentence. These two topics are not talked about in the original sentence. Hence, option C can be negated. Now, let us check whether option D is correct or not. Option D says food variety allows us better understanding and thereby higher impetus to protect the natural variety of the country. So, here natural variety can refer to biodiversity and the fact that food variety allows us a better understanding and thereby motivates us to protect the biodiversity indicates the fact that this sentence is correct. So this sentence indicates the same meaning as the given sentence. Hence option D here is the correct answer. Now moving on to the second question. In case of the second question, you are given a sentence with two blanks marked as 1 and 2 and for each of these blanks you are given options in column 1 and column 2. So if you wish to fill in the first blank marked as 1, you need to select options from column 1, that is A, B and C. And if you wish to fill in the second blank, then you must select options from column 2, that is D, E and F. Now, if you were to go through this sentence, the sentence says the petrol market is blank so fast that some major petroleum companies have dashed refining petrol. So, if you notice here the second blank is preceded by have, and if you go through the options, option D says rejects, option E says discontinued, and option F says terminate. Now, have is always followed by a past participle, that is verb plus ed form. So, option E here satisfies this criteria. Hence, option E here is suitable. Now, if you go through the options, option B mentions that A, E must be a combination that fits in these given blanks. So, the sentence reads, the petrol market is shrinking so fast that some major petroleum companies have discontinued refining petroleum. That is, they have stopped refining petroleum. Now, moving on to the next question. This is a similar type of question, so you can pause the video here and solve the question yourself. Now that you have solved the question, let us go through the sentence. The sentence says, when we dash a repayment of a loan installment, we dash the amount of loan. So this sentence here talks about the repayment of loan. Now if you were to go through column 1 gives us withhold, executing and make. So if you make a repayment of the loan, then obviously you reduce the amount of the loan. Suppose the loan amount is rupees 500, and if you were to make a repayment of rupees 100, then your loan amount would be rupees 400. So you have reduced the payment of the loan, or you have reduced the amount of the loan, right? Hence option C and D must fit in the blank. Now this C and D is mentioned in option C. Hence combination C and D is correct, which is given in option C. Moving on to the next question. It is a similar type of question, so I want you to solve this question yourself. Now that you have solved the question, let us go through the sentence. The sentence says, the new restaurant has already become a huge dash with people dash up for hours for a seat each night. So people stay up for hours for a seat each night. So the fact that people are waiting outside the restaurant for hours for a seat every night, it indicates the fact that no, it is not a failure. Hence option A here can be negated. Now, forfeit does not fit in the blank, and the fact that people wait outside the restaurant indicates the restaurant is a success. So, option C here fits in the first blank. Now, let us see the options. So, here option A says C and D must be a pair. So, D says queuing up for hours. Queuing up for hours means that people line up for hours outside the restaurant. So, option A here is the correct answer, which indicates that people line up for hours outside the restaurant because it is a huge success. So, option A, that is C and D, are correct. Now, moving on to the next question. In case of this question, you are given 4 sentences and these 4 sentences are jumbled. So option 1 here says that A, B, C and D are 4 parts of a single sentence that have been jumbled. So you have to go through each of these sentences and then you have to answer the questions individually. So you can pause the video here and go through the sentences. Now that you have gone through the sentences, let us move on to the questions. So the first question here says, what should be the correct sequence of statement 1? So the statement 1 that was given to us was this statement. Let us see which of the following options, that is A, B, C, D or E, could be the correct rearrangement for this sentence. Now if you were to notice, here option C, that is part C here, must be the first phrase in the sentence. Why? Because it introduces the subject of the sentence. Part C says the word mentor is usually. Now if you were to notice, this phrase is trying to give us the meaning of the word mentor. So the word mentor is usually applied to the one. So parts C and D form a pair. C and D form a pair. Now if you were to go through the options, options A and B mention CD as a pair. The rest of the options do not mention CD as a pair. So these options can be negated. And only in option A is CD beginning the sentence. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let us verify what the sentence says. The word mentor is usually applied to the one who molds a young naive person into a force within a field. So the order is C, D, B, A. And this sentence gives us the meaning or the role of a mentor. Now moving on to the second question in this set, it says the correct sequence for statement 2 can be which of the following options. So statement 2 as given in the passage was this statement. I have copied it here for you. Now you can pause the video here and solve the question yourself. Now that you have solved the question, let us discuss. If you were to notice, part B here is the most appropriate sentence or part to begin the sentence. Part B says it is important throughout our. Now it is important throughout our what? Let us see. It is continued in part A. So part A says it is important throughout our careers and not just at the start, as a good mentor can help one to navigate one's career successfully. So it here can refer to career advice. So career advice is important throughout our career and not just at the beginning of our careers, because this as here indicates because a good mentor can help one to navigate one's career successfully. So if you were to notice, options A or part A and C form a pair. This reason is being indicated in option C. So the correct order after rearrangement must be B, A, C, D, and this is indicated in option C. So option C here is the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question. In case of this question, you have to find out the correct sequence for statement 3. Now statement 3 here says may not be when we meet them the most, a common perception when seeking, a mentor in that area is that we should, and finally do it when we are new to a profession but that. So in case of this sentence, you can pause the video here and solve the question yourself. Now, if you were to notice, option B or part B here is the most appropriate sentence to begin the sentence. Part B says, a common perception when seeking. So, seeking what is mentioned in part C, seeking a mentor in that area, is that we should do it when we are new to a profession, but that may not be when we meet them the most. So, the correct order after rearrangement is yes, B, C, D, and A. So, this but indicates contrast, and this contrast is completed in part A. Hence, D and A form a pair. So, the correct order after rearrangement is B, C, D, and A. This is indicated in part D. Hence, D here is the correct answer. Now, you have to find out the correct sequence for statement 4. So, pause the video here and find out the solution or the correct sequence for statement 4. Now that you have solved the question, let us see what the solution is. Now, statement 4, the correct option or the correct way to solve this is that you go through each part. Now that you have gone through each part, option A here is the most appropriate way to begin the sentence. Part A says, in reality, that's not always the. So, what's not always the? Let us find out. The dynamic or the demographic of the mentor mentee relationship. So, A and B fit together. Up till now, we have established that AB is a pair. So, in reality, that's not always the dynamic or demographic of mentor mentee relationship. Why? The reason is mentioned in part D as capable grown ups need guidance too, especially at workplace. So, here D and C form a pair. So, AB and DC form a pair, and the correct order after rearrangement must be ABDC. So, whatever the clause is mentioned in AB, the reason for the same is mentioned in DC. Hence, this order is mentioned in option B. Hence, B here is the correct answer. Now, the next question in this set says, which one of the four sentences does not fit into the major theme of the paragraph? So, the paragraph was talking about mentors and the role of mentors in one's career. And if you were to notice, option 4 or sentence 4 does not fit into the theme of the passage. Why? Because it deviates from functions of mentors as sentence 1, 2 and 3 talk about. So 1, 2 and 3 talk about the role of the mentor or the meaning of the mentor, right? But option 4 here talks about mentor-mentee relationship, which is not the case in sentences 1, 2 and 3. Hence option D here is the odd sentence, that is option 4, that is sentence 4 will not fit into the theme of the paragraph. Now moving on to a different question type. In case of this question, this is a phrase replacement type question with multiple options. You have to check whether the phrase given in bold needs to be replaced by one of these three options. Let us check. The sentence says the Netherlands became a world power in the 17th century thanks to enormous wealth generates by East India and West India companies. So, if you were to notice, this sentence here talks about the past, some event of past, that is events of the 17th century, and generates here is incorrect. This generates must be replaced by generated, which indicates past tense, right? So this sentence or this phrase in bold here is incorrect. Now, if you were to go through the options says enormous wealth generated by its East and West India companies, enormous wealth being generated by East and West India companies, and finally the third part says enormous wealth had generated by its East and West India companies. So options 2 and 3 are incorrect and only option 1 here is correct. So you'll mark option A as the correct answer. Now moving on to the next sentence. This is a similar question type, so you can pause the video here and then we can discuss the answers. Now that you have solved the question, let us read the sentence. The sentence says, the announcement by the King of England was met with scorn, anger and ridicule on social media. So if you go through the options, option 1 says had met on scorn, anger and ridicule. So met on, the phrase met on here renders the sentence incorrect. Hence option 1 here is negated. Now option 2 is negated. Why? Because this phrase was meeting off. So was meeting off here, this phrase also renders the sentence meaningless. Hence option 2 is also negated. And finally, option 3 says had been meet. So been is always followed by a past participle or a present participle. That is verb with ed ending or verb with ing ending, right? And this is not the case here. Meet here is the base form of the verb. So option 3 also is incorrect. And here was met with is correct. So the given sentence here is correct as it is. So option E here is the correct answer. Hence you will mark option E as your answer. Now moving on to the next question. The next question is also a similar type of question, so you can pause the video, solve the question and then resume for the solution. Now that you have solved the question, let us go through the sentence. The sentence says Dutch author Markie Lucas has become one of the youngest writers because shortlisted for Booker Prize after their debut novel. This should be after his or her and not their. So this is an error. So after his or her debut novel made the final lineup for the International Booker. So let us go through the options that are given. Was to be shortlisted or to be shortlisted within a Booker Prize. Now options 3 and 1 are incorrect. Why? Because this Dutch author has become one of the youngest writers to be shortlisted. That is, he is one of the youngest writers to be shortlisted for a Booker Prize ever. Hence, option 2 here is the correct answer. And this is indicated by option B. So, option B here is the correct answer. Now, this brings us to the end of the video. In case you have doubts, you can comment your doubts in the comments section. And for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you for watching.